Please like, share and subscribe to Doit Industries India Private Limited and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Open all knobs of water tank to fill up the water. Fill water up to 60% of tank volume. Ensure that the O-ring is fixed in its slot and tight all knobs. Open ball valve and pour sand through funnel. Supply air to the sand and water tank by doing necessary piping. Set water tank pressure to 0. Open ball valve and set pressure between 2.5 to 3.0 bars. Connect pipe from water tank to machine and open valve. Connect pipe of the pen to machine. Small pipe is for water, big pipe is for sand. Set air pressure up to 4 bars. To avoid occurrence of measure in sand, set its temperature between 40 to 60 degrees. Turb on machine. Adjust flow of water and sand and start working.